Philips, a worldwide company where we improve people's lives. Let us introduce one of our largest production and innovation sites in Europe, Philips Drachten. Here, we are driven by three things: a passion for product innovation and development, the will to meet the needs of our customers in the best possible way, and the determination to work on a better tomorrow. This is why we cooperate and exchange state-of-the-art knowledge with governments, universities, and organizations. Our engineers, developers, and product designers work on innovating personal health products like ladyshaves, male shavers, trimmers, and Sonicare toothbrushes. At Drachten, we innovate and we produce. In our high-tech assembly lines, equipped with the latest production technologies, we produce male shavers and Sonicare toothbrushes in a responsible and sustainable way. At Philips Drachten, based in the north of the Netherlands, we work together with over 1,500 people from more than 30 different nationalities. Whether innovating or producing, each member of our team has a unique background, a unique experience, and provides a unique contribution to the team. Although we might differ in the way we look, act, or live, we have one thing in common. Together, we are working on better care for more people. And to make sure we do so, we do extensive consumer and user testing at our state-of-the-art test facilities. We drive operational excellence, making the highest quality products in the best and the safest possible way. What is needed to make our processes more lean? How can we adopt cutting-edge machine learning and artificial intelligence to stay at the forefront of innovation? And how do we keep reducing the impact on our planet while improving the lives of our customers? These questions push us forward every day. They challenge us to raise the bar in sustainability, waste separation, reuse, recycle, energy efficiency, and biodiversity for a more sustainable society and a more sustainable world. Together, we put our customers' needs first. Together, we are working on better care for millions of people around the world, every day. This is Philips Drachten.